In the magical land of Zephyria, a meek and timid girl named Aurora discovers a hidden power within herself. Aurora is chosen by the wise and ancient elders to embark on a perilous journey to retrieve the lost artifact that can restore peace to their land. Despite her doubts and fears, Aurora sets out on the journey, determined to fulfill her destiny. Aurora inadvertently awakens an ancient evil that stirs in the depths of the chamber, threatening to unleash chaos upon the land. Orion helps Aurora understand her true potential and teaches her the ways of magic, imparting knowledge that has been passed down through generations. Aurora confronts the ancient evil, channeling her newfound powers to weaken its malevolent grip on the land. Gravely wounded in the battle, Aurora realizes the depths of sacrifice she must endure to protect her people. Orion reveals that Aurora's sacrifice has awakened the true power within her, transforming her into a beacon of hope and resilience. With her enhanced abilities, Aurora defeats the ancient evil, restoring peace to Zephyria and becoming the symbol of hope and inspiration her people desperately needed. As Aurora stands before her people, they cheer for her. They realize that even in the face of darkness, one person can make a difference, sparking a flame of positivity that spreads throughout the realm. Aurora's story is immortalized in the annals of Zephyria, reminding future generations that within each of them lies the potential to overcome any obstacle and be a force for good. Inspired by Aurora's tale, a new generation rises, destined to carve their own path and create a world of magic and hope.